These are the finches. They're very small. They're not big like other birds.
They have lots of babies.
And their eggs are very, very small.
Look at them.
Aren't they so cute? They like to fly everywhere. Bye. Now on to parakeets. The mother right there, the blue one, has a baby inside. It's growing up. It's behind them. It's behind it. And they don't really lay that much eggs. Some parakeets eat their babies. See that? Oh, look, it's the baby. It grows. And bye. And in this house has about 7 or 8 eggs. Bye, you guys.